Airtable Affiliate Program Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to today's video, where we're reviewing the Airtable Affiliate Program. All relevant links to the program will be added in the description below for easy access. Airtable is an innovative platform that combines the best features of spreadsheets and databases to help users organize their work in a visually appealing and highly functional way. With Airtable, you can manage everything from project planning and task management to content calendars, CRM, and even product inventories, all in one place. It's designed for a wide range of users, including freelancers, small businesses, teams, and even enterprise-level companies who need a flexible tool to stay organized and collaborate efficiently. Now, let's dive into the Airtable Affiliate Program. This program is perfect for anyone who has an audience in need of an intuitive productivity tool. If you're a blogger, YouTuber, or content creator focused on business productivity, project management, or even workflow automation, Airtable's affiliate program is an excellent choice. The platform's wide range of features and ease of use make it appealing to individuals, teams, and businesses alike. Airtable's affiliate program offers a generous commission for every paid subscription sign-up you refer. The cookie window lasts for 30 days, which means if someone clicks on your link and signs up for Airtable within that period, you'll earn a commission. The program is managed through Partner Stack, which allows affiliates to track their earnings, clicks, and conversions with ease. The dashboard gives you real-time data so you can make adjustments to your promotional strategies. What makes this affiliate program stand out is Airtable's high conversion rate, due to its reputation as a reliable and highly regarded tool in the productivity space. Many companies and professionals already use Airtable, making it a trusted recommendation for your audience. If you're looking to monetize content centered on productivity tools, project management, or organization, the Airtable Affiliate Program is an excellent fit. Be sure to check out the link in the description for more details. Thanks for watching.